Technická inšpekcia, joint stock company, top-notch services in technical safety. One of the key areas of social policy in EU member states is the care taken of citizens, including provision of safety, health protection in the workplace, and care of safety of technical equipment. The state policy of the Slovak Republic includes also support for safety and protection of health in the workplace, protection of employees and protection of the society from unfavourable effects of work and hazards related to the operation of technical equipment. High levels of safety and of health protection in the workplace, as well as care of the safety of technical equipment, may prevent irreplaceable loss of human life, occupational diseases, and breakdown of technical equipment resulting in major economic losses. The joint stock company Technická inšpekcia has been active in Slovakia since 1995 and has occupied a significant position in the state policy system in the given area. Technická inšpekcia aims to provide services in public interest to give clients assurance in terms of technical equipment safety. Technická inšpekcia is an internationally recognized expert organization with a dominant position in the Slovak market and a leader in assessment of technical equipment safety. What services does Technická inšpekcia offer to its clients? It is the first company to become a competent legal entity by the decision of the National Labour Inspectorate in Slovakia, Technická inšpekcia. It verifies expert qualification to perform technical inspections, expert testing, and repairs of specified technical equipment, to fill high-pressure containers for transport of gas, including filling of automobile tanks with gas, and issues permissions to carry out such activities, performs inspections, manages, evaluates, or conducts official tests and other tests of specified technical equipment, verifies expert knowledge of individuals performing testing, technical inspections and expert testing, repairs and operation of specified technical equipment, and issues permissions or certificates for such activities, and assesses whether technical equipment, materials, project construction, documentation with technical equipment documentation and technology documentation meets the requirements of safety and health protection in the workplace. Technická inšpekcia is also a notified body in accordance with European legislation. In line with guidelines of the European Council, it assesses conformity of machine equipment, simple pressure vessels, pressure equipment, transportable pressure vessels, lifts, equipment for personal cableway transport, low voltage electrical equipment, equipment to be used in potentially explosive atmospheres, and gas burning appliances. Technická inšpekcia is also the first company in Slovakia granted by accreditation as the inspection body by which the Slovak National Accreditation Service testified that Technická inšpekcia is qualified to perform inspections impartially and credibly as an independent inspection body of Type A in accordance with recognized European regulations. An important area of service provision to clients is certification. Technická inšpekcia is competent to perform certification of machines and technical equipment, certification of quality management systems, safety management and health protection management in the workplace, and certification of persons. Technická inšpekcia expanded its services into the area of European agreement concerning the international road and railroad carriage of dangerous goods, so-called ADR-RID, based on authorization by the Ministry of Transport, Posts and Telecommunications of the Slovak Republic. Performs inspection of working machines and equipment before putting into operation and during their operation. Verifies expert qualification of organizations to perform testing of molding machines in operation and provides binding expert standpoints on safe operation of alcohol producing factories, alcohol distilleries, vinegar factories and yeast factories. Currently, Technická inšpekcia has expanded its services to include also training and education in the field of health protection in the workplace based on authorization issued by the National Labour Inspectorate. In addition to activities prescribed by law, Technická inšpekcia performs a full range of activities upon request of clients who use the resulting document to increase credibility and trustworthiness of every tested product with consumers. Why do clients seek the services of Technická inšpekcia, and what guarantees does Technická inšpekcia give them in return? Above all, it is trustworthiness, which forms the cornerstone of the activities of Technická inšpekcia. The client may trust its findings and conclusions because the trustworthiness is guaranteed by the state authorities and institutions of the Slovak Republic. Expertise, impartiality and independence of activities of Technická inšpekcia are a matter of course. The client may rest assured that procedures, findings and conclusions are objective and comply with applicable regulations, norms and working procedures. The comprehensive scope of services provided by Technická inšpekcia is unique in the market of technical safety provision. Of primary importance to Technická inšpekcia is the protection of its clients' interests. A client-orientated approach is the basic strategy. Confidentiality of information is fully guaranteed. Respect for clients' requests forms the foundation, cornerstone for their satisfaction. As a result, the client is entitled to request that things be resolved based on their requirements and preferences. Technická inšpekcia guarantees a high quality of provided services at favourable prices. Prices are always determined by mutual agreement. Organisation of service provision is flexible. The 4 regional offices of Technická inšpekcia cover the entire territory of the Slovak Republic with adequate personnel and technical equipment and guarantee that experienced inspectors are always available to provide services to clients. Technical facilities of Technická inšpekcia are also far in advance of the competition in the market. Clients may use a full range of modern metering tools to objectively find out the safety parameters of their equipment in operation. The European level of service provision guarantees that services are provided in compliance with European regulations and applicable technical norms valid worldwide. Technická inšpekcia cooperates with international inspection bodies and organizations and uses the latest know-how of science and technology. It is a member of the International Confederation of Inspection and Certification Organization, CIO International. Technická inšpekcia builds on the capital of an honest approach. It considers the full provision of truthful information to the client as the foundation of its professional honour. Technická inšpekcia provides an unlimited guarantee with its own equity and commercial insurance to compensate for any damage which the client may occur in relation to its services.